that are designed to destroy people. Abantu banomona. Futhi umona wabo bekuhle bewusho le emasimini belihlakula. Manje sebe ne-access yokuthi umona wabo udlulele emphakathini. Hlaka wethu uhlaka production siyabonga ukuzivezela ama-talent anjengogwajo. Gwajo. Tsheno yimina manje. Alright. Futhi ube na amaphutha lapha nalapha. Kodwa amaphutha wenzile ngaphezulu ngoba right ubenzile. Ngoba ngabafana abancane nezingane futhi nibukela kuthini singabanewini. Asikwazi-ke ukuthi silahlekelwe abadlali egroundini ngenxa yomkhobholo. Njengamanje umhlaba ubusy ucompare the world star esingalama uNeymar noRonaldo okuKylian Mbappe. Babhizi bamcompare nezingane ngenxa yomona ugcwele umhlaba wonke. Bakhuluma ushiti against Kylian Mbappe nani uthe izandla noma kuthiwa uyigoqile right noma kuthiwa uyasondela uyazenzisa thina nje makuthiwa uyasondela uthi uyakhuza umholi uthi ufuna ukubukwa mawuhleli uthi awubuka abanendaba sebesuthi abanendaba izwe lonakala wathi uyasukuma kuthiwa usukuma ufuna ukubukwa umona nje wanamhlanje udesignwe kanjalo lo mkhobho lobizwa kuthiwa umgolo yabo. So manje there's no reason particularly abantu ba-trained, they're well trained. Kylian Mbappe banomgogodlo enough. Kylian Mbappe played the World Cup in Russia 2018 at the age of 17 and 18. Wawina wakora amagoli futhi laphana waba yi-star futhi. Youngest player in history of the World Cup. Yabona. And then above that waphinda futhi ngo-2022. Ngo-2022 eKorea laphana njalo lapha eQatar. Into eyenzaka laphana kahle uKylian Mbappe wayiwina iWorld Cup. He have excelled. He have done everything in his power as a young star. That's why my boy Mumva immediately after Benzema Benzema same time wabo captain Emncane is the youngest captain of French squad in history. Kylian Mbappe sikhuluma thina ngo-captain decide abawine World Cup ngo-1998 yabona Zinedine Zidane. So and then mawuthi uyayibuka yonke le nto leyo njengamanje kwi-PSG was excelling nalapha kwilokhunjana kwilokhunjana is doing well, but with so much pressure he may end up diving there and there yabona. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi ke is matured enough he can't do that. Njengamanje mina mangidrive umkhumbi ngiyadrive nje anginendaba ukuthi ngithini mina futhi ngingakhuluma ngento njengohlanya la I don't care. I don't give a fuck. You must know it because I speak the truth and I speak my mind. It's up to you take it or not. So into eyenzakala njengamanje uBhaka ngimncomile kwi-previous address ngento enhle ayenzile yonke ispoza maningi hayi ngoba uBhaka nayengenawo amaphutha unawo amaphutha. uBhaka futhi mdala ukuthi uzacila kusho ukuthi akamdala wrong ukuthi uBhaka agcina ama-record abantu hayi nengane ngiyayibona ingane ukwajukara igcina ama-record abantu for betrayal wrong lokho ngoba angagcina lokho kumlahlekisela ngabantu abazoxhumana naye bexhumane naye ngokusaba noma bemokhe bengabe naliqiniso. Ekubeni yena njengamanje right now he's doing very well ekuthenini akwazi uku-analyze izinto ayichaze ngendlela accurate, which is very good. Well done Bhaka. Kodwa uGwajo uyingane bengafanele uthi hit on heart on him ube wrong lapho bhaka ukugadla amawala kwaJo ungapheli kamandla nawe ehlisa umoya ukhule wazi ukuthi sonke sikhula ngenduku ingxenye impilo futhi siyibonga mina bekade ke ngangibakhuza ngalabafana ke webhaka kade ngangibakhuza ngasese nozosa laba ngiyabakhuza ngithi mina yaneliswani ilokho enikutholayo ko YouTube ngizama ukuhamba niba nekeshi lokuthi hala nomfazi umfowethu ngala nenkabi kuningi ikeshi ekhona lapha kuningi yakubuka nje enikufa TV actor nje wodwa and manje leyo nto leyo awukwazi ukufurisha abantu you can't fool people yabona and wrong fanele niyeke leyo nto leyo fanele niyeke wesike lokwami lokujoma uzosakwazi uku-acta isolo nje ngakho ulungile ke yabe interview yakho interview yabantu emkhehlo qhubeka nemkhehlo nje wena nawe kwaJo vuka uyithintithe mfowethu akhosoka nasicu kwaZulu umuntu akashaweselela phansi indoda leyo kuhle icala hlaka qhubeka uzivezela ithanda elisha maluju ayihlale phansi bomba umthetho idlulile phambili laba inyanga lemgodwe inyanga le-ektayo imsunyo nina abahambi beyofa bephume la emabhenceni yabona khona okunye nomlomo omnyama wale egule ubhizi nako ushaya uyahlathatha ubhizi kuya-ekta uthuvike lokho futhi wathi wanango lo mfana osecula ethatha lento kubona sesisineka la hayi angiyazi nami akwahle xa ngibizela amanyala lapha wena so izinto ezifanayo nokuthi kuningi nje ukuyanyanyisa yabo umoyeni so then kodwa siyathula siyabuka nje very important yokuthi silokhu nje abantu abanobulu ubabona ngendlela ababehave ngayo nangendlela abazisa ngayo amakhaya abo baningi so babala ngelinye ilanga bayazazi bona ziyakhala manje